On the love course.
I object.
In session with Jessica Anderson from Anderson Kusher. Good morning to you, Jessica. How are you?
I'm doing well. Glad to be here.
Glad to be here. And I'll tell you, we got a tricky love court in session this morning. It involves custody and horrible communication.
Right. So, dear Jessica, my ex has this thing where he ignores my text messages if he doesn't want to respond via text. Doesn't even acknowledge that he got it in any way. And then the next time I see him, he is semi-confrontational. I recently sent him some proposed schedule changes for the summer months because he only works 4 days in the summer, and our original schedule was to build around him working 5 days a week. The normal schedule is every Friday, and every other Saturday. I proposed for summer that we change it to every Friday through Sunday. Anyway, the main point is he hasn't responded to my message, and I don't like to have the face-to-face exchanges because he can be intimidating, and I'm not confrontational at all. Is it illegal if we have this conversation in my driveway and my Ring camera is recording it? He's aware that I have the cameras, and the cameras begin to record as soon as there is motion. I would just like to save the conversation in case he tries to say something different about the conversation afterwards, as I think that's why he won't put it in a text. So, the main issue is, I don't know if we've ever talked about this, but it is illegal to record someone in Nevada without their permission. So, however, the Ring camera does not fall into that because the Ring camera is clearly visible. You don't have an expectation of privacy when you're on someone's porch. So I think it's totally fine that she's recording via the Ring.
So it's like a loophole.
But the main thing is that it sounds like they have really bad communication issues that I think should be resolved for the good of their kids. So what I suggested to her was that she asked the court to order that they communicate through one of those online co-parenting platforms like Our Family Wizard or Talking Parents, which will timestamp when a message is opened and not responded to. So if she asks, the court will do it. We'll order that. And then the court usually also orders a timeline for a response to messages. Like I've had a court say, you must respond to any message through Our Family Wizard within 48 hours. And so then that way scheduling issues and other pertinent issues get dealt with in writing. That's totally reasonable that that's what she wants. And I agree that the fact that he won't put it in writing means that he doesn't want to be held to it. And that's when you're trying to do a co-parenting relationship, there's just no way. You have to have something you can rely on.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yikes. The fact that she doesn't trust that he would not change his words, that doesn't make me feel good at all. Like she's thinking he won't text her because then there's like a paper trail of what he said. I don't like that.
Yeah, I don't like any part of this. It's so childish. It's like the hand holding that the court is like obligated to do for people that can't just put their big boy pants on and handle business.
Exactly.
And the courts really don't like to do this kind of micromanaging. And so, I'm not saying that courts should be the first resort. It really is the last resort, but it sounds like she's kind of at her wit's end. I'm sure she's been screwed over before with him. He agrees to one thing and then backs out. So, but this is the only thing I can think of to get her some sort of finality,
I can't imagine what it's like to be a family court judge when they see some of these cases come before them and they're just like, are you serious?
Yeah, you got to be constantly being like, not again.
Right, exactly. And Chris, I like what you say about putting your big boy pants on, and that's exactly what it is.
Yeah. Some of the judges have a lot of patience. Some don't. But for the most part, they all do their jobs really, really well and try hard.
Speaking of judges, I have a quick question.
Yeah.
Why do they get chambers and everybody else gets offices? I had a question about that yesterday. Do you have the answer to that? Why do judges have judges' chambers and not an office? Why don't we call it an office?
I don't know. I can tell you, having been in a judge's chamber, it looks just like an office.
We should ask them.
Just with fancier furniture.
It's no more special than an office.
I guess I've never thought about it. But
Well, mull it over for me.
I
See
don't
if you
know.
can get to the bottom of this.
Yeah,
one.
that'll be the focus of next week's Love Court.
Sure,
Jessica, if people ever have questions for you inside the Love Court, we make it easy. We got a great portal available on our website at alice965.com. You answer every single question you receive.
I do, and we have a little back and forth exchange, and sometimes it's multiple questions upon a question, and I'm happy to answer them, and then we talk about it on the air.